Also, I have to drop with like the basic designs.
What else?
But
Do you have to add anything else to the pre-drop?
I do.
What do you have to add?
Like you can see what's like missing.
Oh yeah. Just like,
I have an idea for a cool
structural.
memory wave, kind of like that. Bro, you remember that level that you were playing that was memory in the drop?
Yes.
Kind of like, oh, here, I'm sorry. Kind of like the wave in that, but like every time you click, you go up with a teleportal, and every time you release, you go down with a teleportal.
Okay.
We have different ideas for memory wave. I'm probably just working on maze.
Yeah.
I'm not upgrading fucking better at it, dude. I'm not.
Oh yes, you should. You should.
No, no.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You did it?
Yes.
Hooray!
Yes.
What
Yes.
the freaky? What
Yes.
the freaky?
Oh my god.
Oh, what the freaky pin geometry dash? Oh, it
Yes.
felt weirdly because
So I beat it.
pins geometry dash.
I beat it.
Frog, say you will for the reaction.
Huh?
Say you will.
No, fuck you.